on video. Well, we were going to take a picture, but now we're just going to do a video long of our faces.
Yeah. Hey, Lauren, guess what?
What?
I'm fat.
I'm obese.
You deserve a big fat kiss.
No, I'm just
Seymour, feed me.
Feed me, Seymour. Feed me,
Feed me now. Sharks are so much friendlier when their sheep are not sharp. Yeah.
I'm joking. He's weird.
The camera loves me.
Help me.
Come back.
Help me.
The camera loves me.
He's dragging me into his bedroom. Help me.
What? Oh God. And this is not Lauren's blood on the knife. Lauren. Ouch. To be or not to,
I am dead.
or not to be? That is the question. Or is it?